Hey guys, it's Saturday morning. That means it's cars and coffee time, and we have found by far the coolest car here, and it's right behind me. Check it out. It's a monster, but a cool monster because it's a Beetle conversion to the ultimate RV. We're thinking it's probably a early 70s Beetle that somebody has.
Mid-70s.
All right, make it a mid-70s. Tommy's behind the camera Beetle that somebody has converted into the ultimate small overlanding rig. So Tommy, why don't you give him a quick walk around and show him everything that makes this thing so cool. Sorry.
Yeah. Well, I'm sorry.
It's not very aerodynamic, of course.
Can you get behind me, Dick?
Yeah.
The shadows or your reflections, kind of.
His and hers. How do you know it's the 70s, Tommy?
I think it's like probably like a 73 or 74 based on the rubber dashboard.
Oh, sweet.
And I think it's a standard Beetle, not a super Beetle.
Of course, the question is, what's the engine? Let's find out. Check out that rear wheel. Look how big that is.
Oh, it's still air cooled, huh?
Yeah, I think it's 1.6 still. I mean, I don't want to open it up, but you can probably open it up and see the classic Beetle. I don't know how much of the chassis is left. It feels like this would be way above its weight carrying capacity. But it's got a, look at that, it's got a microwave,
Little table.
a little fold out table, a bench for eating, and I love the bucket seats. The question is, can you sleep up here? Can you see
Yeah,
that?
there's a little like cubby space.
Is there a cubby space? Maybe for like a dog. I gotta tell you, there are Lamborghinis here, there are Ferraris, there are classic cars, all kinds of really cool cars, but this has got to be my favorite because not only is it way cool, but it's almost like folk art, right? It's something that somebody's taken and made into something that was very practical into something that's even more practical, and that is really fun. As always, this is Roman and Tommy
With the Fast Lane car, we'll see you guys next time.